Hello everybody, welcome to this week's tip. With this week's tip, I want to share with you a really cool app that's called screenchomp. Now screenchomp is a type of an app that will allow you to use your iPad as if it's like an interactive whiteboard. The really cool thing about it is you can insert pictures, you can insert PDFs, and then you could draw on them and you can annotate them. To make it even better, you can hit a record button and you could create a video of that. So let me just get started and show you what it looks like. First thing you do when you get in, down at the bottom you will see that there are 3 different pen types that you can choose from, and you could customize each one of those pens by changing the color and the thickness. And there's also an eraser down here. Now in the bottom left hand corner, there you can add your media to this, and I could choose from the library. If I want to choose from the library, I could go in and I could pull up a picture. So here's from the camera roll. You could place it where you want it to be, then you click done, and it will put your image onto here. Then you could choose your pen color, and you can write and you can draw. I'm just going to write screenchomp. So you can draw directly on it. Now if you want to erase, you could either pick up the erase tool, and you could do it by hand, or you could click on the second icon in the bottom left hand corner, which will actually go out and just erase everything. Now you could also import a PDF if you have your app tied to a Dropbox account. Again, Dropbox is free. But I could go into Dropbox, and here's some of the files that I have in Dropbox. One of them is Getting Started PDF from Dropbox, and again, I can put it where I need it to go, and I could hit Start. So say I had a worksheet or something that I wanted to demonstrate, I could now I could create a video of it. So I'm going to hit Record. Notice it gives you a little countdown. So now it's actually recording me, and I'm going to indicate that, I'm going to draw on this annotation here. I'm going to, here's the quick start. I'm going to draw a little arrow pointing to it. My art skills aren't very good, but maybe I want to circle something down here to draw attention for the students. Great idea if like you're doing a math problem or you're showing some important feature on a map or you're going over a worksheet. Whenever you're finished, all you have to do is you hit stop, and it will give you a video preview of what you just did. At this point, I could choose to delete it by clicking in the garbage can in the back left-hand corner, or I could go in the bottom right-hand corner and hit share. When I go to hit share, what it does is this actually sends it to a website. It's the screenchomp website. It will generate a unique web address to host that video. It actually hosts the files for you. If you want to share that with the kids, you just share that link with them. You don't need to create an account for screenchomp. The only person that could see the video is the person that has the link to it. So I'm going to go click up here in the top left hand corner right next to the little screenchomp, I guess monster it is. I'm going to click on those papers. It says my share was successful. So I click on that and it tells me my screenshot. I can touch that to view it. So now that this is here, I could actually download the video because the video itself doesn't exist on my device until I download it. Or I could click share. I could open in Safari. Whenever I'm done, I'm done. So I'm just going to click that. So this is a great thing because of the fact that it doesn't require you to create an account to upload the file. This is a wonderful thing for kids. If you have kids that are using iPads in class, it's a great thing to have them upload a video, have them explain something that they're doing instead of just turning in their worksheet. You get their thought process with it. So it actually hits higher levels of learning. So that is screenchomp. It is a free app. It is available in the iTunes App Store. So check it out if you haven't done so already. There's some really neat things you can do with it. Thanks and have a great week.